Welcome to the VAX Backup and Restore tutorial. As with most tutorials, we start on the VAX homepage, but today we're going to back the system up. These can be done in 3 different ways. The first way is to scroll down on the main web interface to find the System Management UI icon under the Systems section. This will open up the System Management interface in a new tab. Once we get to the System Manager, the username is Vicon and the password is Vicon Access, all lowercase. On the home page, you can see the status of the web server where you can remotely stop or restart, as well as create a new password if we wanted to. The next tab is the Networking tab where you can remotely check the network settings. Once we're in the Backup tab, this is where you configure an auto backup or you can do it manually. First, you can select if you want to back up just the database or include the profile pictures, which might be a good idea if you have several profile pictures. Under Backup Options, you can compress the backup, which we recommend doing. You can encrypt the backup, and finally, you can choose to remove backup files. It is currently set at 7 days. If I want to hold it off on this, I can extend it out to 30 days. Under Output 2, you can choose a local drive or a network share. If you do place it in a network share, don't forget to put in your backup username and password. For tutorial purposes, we will choose local drive, and from here you can save it to your C drive, or if you so choose, you can save it to an external flash drive as an E drive. You can choose to schedule the backup however often you'd like. I will choose 1 week on Sundays, then click Save and Run Now, and it'll immediately run a backup. You can pull up the backup folder you created, and you can see that it's indeed stored there with the date you saved it on. Now we'll be doing a restore. Click the Restore tab, simply enter the backup file path that we created. If you encrypted it with a password, you will need to enter that here. And finally, click Restore. That was nice and quick, but a larger system may take a little longer during this process. We recommend having the same operating systems, otherwise the backup could get a little more intricate. To find out more, please visit the applicable chapter in the software guide.